In this video, let's look at how to find referral traffic in Google Analytics 4. Okay, so for this, let's go to Google Analytics first. Let us log in into this platform, sign in. So after you sign in, go to reports over here in the left side, and next you have to go to acquisition, and next is the user acquisition over here. Right, I'm gonna change the data to last 90 days and click on apply over here. And if you can see here the data, these are all the channels: direct channel, organic, referral, organic, social, email, and unassigned. So we can see referral over here, but from which websites we are getting the referral traffic is something we want to know over here. So for this, what we need to do is click on all users over here and just go back and untick this all users, and you will have this referral and affiliates traffic, right? So you have to select this and click on apply over here, right at the top. Once you apply that, you will be able to see the referral traffic over here, referral. And next thing what we have to do is click over here and go to traffic source. Next what you have to do is go to first user source, right? You can click on this and you will be able to see all the websites where you are getting the referral traffic from. For example, you can see this. We are getting the traffic from copilot.microsoft.com. There are 30 users coming from this. There is Savry.com. There is Gemini, Google Gemini. We are getting the traffic from. So these are some of the websites we are getting traffic from. ChatGPT, right? You can see all the data over here. And I can expand to 100 over here, and you will see all the websites from where you are getting the referral traffic, right? So this is how you can look at the data over here, right? And if you want to export this report, you can click on over here and you can also export it. Okay, right? So you can see here the data over here. You can click on download data. You can export it to Google Sheets or a CSV file or any PDF data over here. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and comment below if you like this content.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.